ministry coal or secretaries also are sitting, anybody for that matter. So since there is a good mechanization, then you can reach the places at shorter times. Okay, already you have seen in almost all mines in India nowadays we are having, right, except few maybe remote. Okay, need not worry much for that. Otherwise, in general, we are having this type of transportation either by, you note down, mine cars, right, or it can be a chairlift system where a person is sitting there and there is something like a ropeway and they are sitting. Already you have seen that. I have taken you through photographs and all, through videographs and all, into the mines where we are doing investigations, and also the mines in the COVID-19 period last month itself. Our PhD scholars, Ava madam, and our other PhD scholars, even Sridhar, and then our executive PhD scholars, right, and other people like our MTech scholars, Rishabh, and then our other scholars like Maharshi, they were there in the mines and provided all that I have shown you. I have taken you to that mines, my beloved students. So because of that mechanization, now we are able to reach to the long distances, so that even for 5 kilometers also you can have that extent of the mine size, right? Even 6 now you can think of, depending on that. So that factor you should understand. Otherwise, so much material is already available, buckets full of information, right? Explosion of information in Google, books, textbooks, proceedings, journals, whatever. Then, in that way, reach of persons, that is the reason why I have just written to working places within the specified time of the shift, because a shift in general, as far as our regulations are, Indian mining constitution, or not only mining, anywhere for that matter, is concerned, 8 hours is a general shift. So when there is a shift hours of 8 hours, now if my person starting from his house, if he is reaching, right, after taking something like a good, if 7 a.m. is their working shift time, right, they started from 6, because 1 hour it takes from his house to whatever the working place, taking all these fruits and all. Then from there, after giving the attendance, if it is taking 2 hours to reach the working place, and obviously 2 hours it will take to come back, 4 hours is going just in the transiting, right, in transportation of a person from the mine entrance, or the person from the attendance place, right, to the working place. Then his efficient working may be not more than 4 hours. In that 4 hours, we have to give a good time for him to take his beautiful chicken biryani which was prepared in his house, to take for 1 hour, half an hour, right? So much. Then 2-3 hours they cannot work, perform better. Why to take them with all these arrangements and making it Maharatna, Mini Ratna companies and all those things in India, in the world, whatever it is. So these are the reasons why we even decide the size of the mines, so that they should read. In general, as a thumb rule, my beloved students, within 1 hour at least, within 1 hour, so that at least 6 hours they should be there at the working place for which they are meant and they are paid, and our Mother Earth is there for them to provide the milk or the mineral coal for that matter, since we are talking about underground coal mining. Now, geometry of the deposit, it matters a lot. It is very simple to understand, my beloved students of underground coal mining methods. When the deposit is like this, whatever, right, then geometry, why I am telling this. Now there may be some faults, folds, right, anticline, syncline, whatever, and many parts of the deposits are some part of a syncline or a basin, right, basin type of structures. You must have read already. Okay, now my CEP question here is, my beloved students, you note down and try to answer me, what is the nature of the deposits in India, right? So they've already, I also tried to discuss a little bit in between, but already you read in your previous semesters about the geology of the deposits, right? So what type of the deposits, right, are something about coal deposits in India you should tell, right? As far as this mine size, how it is going to, as far as the geometry is concerned, but that again I will discuss later. Now, coming to more size along the strike direction, already I told you, and comparatively less on the dip direction. The reason why this is less on the dip direction, right, that you must have understood it. and this is my CEP question 2 on this choice of mine size, and whatever you could visualize, you should tell me why I am taking more. If this is a deposit along the strike direction, straight into your eyes, I am showing you, my beloved students, right? In the strike direction, why the mine size is very big, and then along the dip direction, little bit less. Why it is selected in that way, right? Already I told you 3-4 kilometer along the strike and 2-3 kilometer along the dip. And few examples of mine sizes already shown before in this class. Of course, already I have shown you. You understood it nicely. And again, I am taking you, my beloved students. Don't worry whose hands is this. It may be our PhD scholar, Ava Madam, a geologist and in very senior positions in a manager in geotechnical departments, data control cell and safety department in Mahanadi Coalfields, MCL. She was there in the mines just to provide some information to you, of course, as a part of some investigations, which also is a part of her PhD in solving the present problems of our Indian coal mining to help our new education policy 2020, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make India, all those things, Skill India. So this is a working plan. I am taking you to the mine, showing something about the mine sizes and all, and a few plans I have already shown you. Our madam with a beautiful ring, she is showing you the how this is there, right? Developed into pillars and all, right? Maybe 2-3 kilometer, whatever size I have shown you. That scale I cannot show. It may be written somewhere. Now it's part without our madam's. This one are sent by our Rishabh, and when they were there, I was trying to have that Google Meet, and then as if I am there in their manager's office, we were monitoring all that just few days back. This is what I am bringing to you, how this mine, total mine is there, and this is its boundary of the mine, Orient mine, and that's where I was showing you our Rishabh, Abhilash, Secretary Engineer, our madam 50-50%. She don't want to show her masking face. Without mask, she want to show her face. So it is appearing like this. Don't worry. This is the mine office. I am taking you, my beloved students of Orient Mine, Mahanadi Coalfields. From there, it was sent. And now you also try to note down, right? Even the size of the mine depends on the number of coal seams also, right? Suppose, very simple to understand, my beloved students, when there is only one seam, and then I am going to have, for example, a mine to be selected size. I have to select, right? Whether I should have 5 kilometer here, 3 kilometer here, 2 kilometer here, and all. And I don't want to have a mine when I plan it that you will be learning in the final year, right? About mine planning and other issues in between also, where now if instead of a hypothetical case 1, there is only one seam, like here HR seam 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, right? One seam, you imagine. In another case, there are 5 seams, 6 seams, 7 seams. Now it is very simple and common sense also for anybody who is not having any information or any knowledge. Suppose like our beloved ministers, they may not have the knowledge about the mining engineering, but they take great decisions. How? Even a layman can also understand. Very simple to understand. Suppose if there are 10 seams, 5 seams, 4 seams, for example, here in this Orient mine, there are HR seam 4, 3, 2, 1, like that. Then this coal in that part of that area, if it is 4 by 2 or 4 by 3, that is 12 square kilometers is the size of the mine. If 12 square kilometers is the size of the mine, then what happens? Now the coal, some X quantity of coal is there, 20 million tons, 40 million tons, 80 million tons. If it is only one seam, it is only 10 million tons, right? Then I should have, right, for a particular demand of coal, I am opening a mine. I am planning for it, and our ministry is giving permissions. All those things are there. Okay. Then obviously, when there are more number of seams, more coal is there in a specific area, then our size also can be small. So that within that period, you will be extracting that as per your plan. So these are some of the reasons. That's why I'm showing you the recent plan of this mine, and there is one reason behind this why I'm giving lot of importance to this mine, because now this mine is incurring heavy loss, and as far as underground coal mines are concerned, it is a loss of around 1000 rupees per ton. It is not cost of production, it is a loss of 1000 rupees per ton in this COVID-19 period. Otherwise, even more, even less, maybe 500 rupees per ton, right? So these are the situations where, as an underground mine engineer, you should understand. And some working panel, just I am showing you, that is a reason here with whatever is HDLs, LHD, whatever they are having. Now you can see their mine condition. This is not a old picture, just taken recently by our beloved Abhilash and others who are strata control engineers there, and our PhD scholars, MTech scholars in that mine. Now this is that mine, so that you will think that you are inside the mine, inside our mother earth comfortably in this COVID-19, as well as your very cool winter season. You go here, it will be very hot. Okay, feel that hotness, my beloved students. Then we will discuss more. Heated discussions we will have, so that we will understand better and make it yourself and ourselves more useful for our Indian coal mining scenario. Now you see how it is LSD is being used there, right? And then and transporting through loading onto the belt conveyors, how it is appearing, so that you feel that you are there for further discussions, my beloved students. Now this is that plan, a close view, whatever is that mine, and it's now you can see its total boundary, right? And then how this is, now you can understand by seeing this, my beloved students. It is not a seam like simply 1 in 8 or 1 in 7 throughout the deposit. It is not like that. It can be a part of the basin deposit, basin something like this. You can understand a basin your mother used to prepare while preparing that whatever is a biryani, chicken biryani, vegetable biryani, whatever, right? In a basin she used to give, right? Like something like this. That is a coal seam, that part of it. So that's why sometimes you have to change the orientation to maintain the gradient of that workings. This is what is that mine. Now you can see, right, where they entered, and then development, so many things, right? Depending on that structure of that basin, other things, they decide how to develop and how to orient that mine. And this orient and that orient is different, but mine name fortunately is also orient mine, and you have to orient your galleries in the way that this favors your mechanization or your working, right? That can be sometimes in the apparent dip, not maybe in the full dip, all those things. This is the way how these plans appear. And here a very pathetic situation, my beloved students, right? Now this map is not at all digitized till now. I am very sorry to say, but you should know what is a fact, right? So we are there in digital India, right? We are there in the skill India, and we are there in NEP 2020 new education policy and so many things. But still, this could not be digitized, and where your contribution should be there to do that. And here, this is a recent photo again, where that galleries, when they extended in that roof walls, then how it is being supported, you feel as if you are there on the roof wall area, like a assistant manager when you join, right? Either Yogita madam, Jasmine madam, right? You will be having the same dress, don't worry, right? With all mask, you are able to see. It can be a Karthik, it can be name I could not remember many, right? When you summarize, when you give answer, then I may be referring to some more names. Okay, it's all right. Next, now you see how beautiful it is looking, right? So there are multiple sections. This is another section. This is a bottom section. In between there is a parting, my beloved students. There can be coal, something like this, where thick seam extracted in multiple sections, developed first in the multiple sections. And because of some failures and other things, there are some additional support with, that's what I have written here, side stitching along with roof bolting pattern for extended high workings in the mine and all, how it is done. You can see here, my beloved students, where this parting collapsed, where this is something like a double-decker bus, right? Now double-deckers are coming even in Hyderabad, because I was hearing some voice of some student for pleasure of others, he can tell where he was talking to her mother helping him. I like it because I used to help my mother in cutting the onions and all, and father in polishing his shoe and other things while going for his office, right, or working. Now, details of working panels at Orient Mine. You just note down, because since I'm talking about mine size, and after mine size we are coming to even selection of the method, that is important. And selection of the method, why I'm talking about this here is, now we have to change the method of mining in this mine to make it more profitable and at least come out of these loss of the mine. And that's where our contribution as NIT Rourkela, being in the same state, and we are the nearby mines. And my beloved students, you should remind me, I will be taking you to personally after this COVID-19 period to that mine, spending lot of time in those photographs, whatever the places I have shown you, I will take you to that places, depending on again your interest, my beloved students, right? Right. So this is HRC means Ingir Rampur Singh, you note down somewhere. Some conditions, right? Seam thickness 3 meters, working height 2.6. You can take even a what is that, pick, something like that. Okay, then 4.2 meter width of the gallery, immediate roof 0.3, depth of workings around 220 meters, gradient 1 in 20, that is not very steep, and nearby there is no much faults and other things. Joints spacing less than 30 centimeter, that is unfavorable, right? Method of mining is board and pillar. So in these conditions they were working, but here, beloved students, I would like to take a small break in the sense, now I have some problem with my mobile, so mobile is not there. If any problem, you can talk to me also on this landline. It is working 0661 246 2611. Now, after my repair of mobile, then we will talk on mobile. Otherwise, that WhatsApp and other things are zero for me for some time. Right. So now we are going to our this one. Where is that one? Right. In this, let me have. Yes. Acha, any queries? You can unmute and ask me if you have any queries, my beloved students. Any queries? Yes. Let me know if you have any queries. Let me take once again attendance. Shubham, you have any query? I like his nice profile pic with a very good dog. What is his name? You will tell later.
No, sir.
No question.
No,
What is the name of
no,
this dog you are maintaining nicely?
sir. Sir, his name is Rocky. Rocky.
I thought it is Ramu, but
No,
something
sir,
matching,
Rocky.
right? RR. Because I
Yes.
used to have a dog in my childhood because I came from a very good village area adjacent to the mines, and I visited underground mine in my 5th class, decided to contribute something to mining. That's what is the background.
Yes.
So that is, this dog is appearing like that, but that dog was no more,
Ram.
right? Okay, that was Ramu. उसके लिए पूजा भी कर रहे हैं आप, right? Any doubts? Let me take attendance. Any doubts? CEP answers. Any doubts? I used to encourage showing our none other than a great scientist, our Albert Einstein, encouraging the doubts and then interaction. And I appreciated already, right? Our Jasmine madam nicely, so that I could think of sending you some materials because I can take you, I mean, hearts to the water, but cannot make the drink, right? But I should have that interest from you. Okay. Any doubts? Otherwise, I will continue with are any doubts or CEP answers? CEP answers. Already I asked 2 questions. Answers. Anybody? And I think I have taken once again attendance. Let me take once again.
So can you repeat the CEP questions? Type them down in chat box.
Jasmine madam must be sleeping. Acha, who can tell that question? CEP question.
Hello, sir.
Anybody?
Hello, sir. Am I
Anybody
audible?
who can tell that question which I asked you?
Yes, sir, I can.
Anybody in the group? Who is telling? Yogita madam.
Yes, sir. Question one
Madam.
is
One
what is
question
the
is
nature, what is the nature of coal deposits in India?
very nice. Good. Nature of coal deposit. Especially with reference to the size of mine. Why that is going to affect. Very nice. Question 2.
The size of mine is more along the strike and less along the dip.
Right. Why more a long strike? Yes. Jasmine madam, are you able to hear to our Yogita madam? Jasmine madam.
Yes, sir. It was actually I had network issues that time, so
No
I couldn't
problem.
hear.
It happens. No, don't worry. It happened. That's why I'm writing here. Okay. Any answers? Otherwise, we'll continue the class. And one more thing is my watch here. Of course, that wall clock was damaged, so it could not be replaced by our NIT Rourkela. Don't worry, that will be done. Then this watch is a wrong time showing 9:48 in our this one. My mobile is under repair. So any what is the time? Present time?
9:30.
9:45.
Okay. So
9:45.
9:55 you should remind me so that we will take up your answer and summary at that time, and I will continue with the class now. Is it fine? Okay. Now let us continue with our class. Right. So there now you note down before going further, before giving the classification of method. Generally I used to discuss with our beloved students, anybody, to understand the factors that are influencing the choice of mining methods, right? Then based on that, there are many others people, right? X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, whatever, in India, in the world, other countries like Australia, US, USBM, NIOSH, whatever, right? They used to give their classifications in many ways. But to understand that, you can, or to create your own classification, I would like to take you from the foundation, right, my beloved students, as I told you. What are the factors influencing choice of the mining methods? Then there can be, you can note down some important points, and I will be giving you n number of examples in between. There can be a physical factors, there can be technical factors, right? Already you are seeing here physical, it can be technical, it can be economical, there are so many things. Now to start with, let us go one by one and discuss, and I wish that with your previous knowledge, what you learned, my beloved student, you also should interact with me. And of course, as I told you, like our Jasmine madam used to ask in between any queries to send some material and all, that also we will do it with pleasure, so that I wish that by the end of our semester, everybody should become best underground mining engineers, coal mining, right? Not metal for this semester, right? So these are the important physical factors, okay? And thickness of the coal, right? So that is a factor in a very simple sense. First I will tell you, and later we will enter into each factor, okay? I mean in details of that factors. Now, very simple. Suppose if any seam is a 10-meter thick seam, otherwise a seam is a 3-meter. What we do in a 3-meter, almost in any country except our Japan. Okay, I think I discussed with you little about thickness range in different countries, right? Who could remember that in Japan, what is a thick seam called? What is the thickness range? What is a
Sir,
seam?
in Japan, sir,
In
Japan 2.2 meter
Very
to
nice.
2.4 meter is
Very nice. Very
considered
nice.
as thick seam.
Who is talking? उसका नाम बताइए जी.
Sir, Rajesh.
राजेश, राइट? राजेश तो राजों का ईश्वर होता है नाम में ही. They nicely said. Okay, but don't worry and don't get a wrong impression that our Japanese are shorter. That's why their seam is also shorter to call as a thick seam, right? Don't worry for that. There may be some reasons, so many reasons for that. But that is nice, fine, nicely said by our Rajesh. So more than 2.2 meter thickness seam itself is called a thick seam in the world for Japan country, right? For us, more than 4.5, 4.8 like that. And Poland, Canada, and different 4.8, 3.5 in US and Australia, different depending on their range of the availability of that thick seam and conventional methods, all those we discussed. Okay. And in a simple layman's language is, if it is a thick seam, then we are going for blasting gallery methods, right? Or you can extend GDK11. You note down the names and all, right? GDK11, GDK10, 21 incline, VK7. These are different names, even in Singareni. And Chora Gallery, East Katras, failure cases. That also BCCL, ECL, right? Where thick seams, blasting gallery we use. Multiple seams, then integral caving, sublevel caving, or multi-seam workings with stowing. So many things we have done, right? But now gradient of the seam, like that there are different factors. Let us go simple factors today, right? Gradient of the seam, right? So now this also very simple because you are very much interested in pink color. Let me show in that way. So gradient of the seam when it is very steep, right? The choice of the method. Now it is very difficult for me even utilizing my machinery in that. Even a method which requires that I should use a LHD to operate. Can I use LHD in that? Definitely not, right? Very simple layman's language, right? Our choice of method, it comes, you may have to even enter into horizon type and so many things, right? You cannot go with in seam development also, you cannot do it. So many things are there. Now, depth of the seam, very simple to understand, my beloved students. When depth is so much, what you do? This is very simple and very easy to understand, right? Now, there will be a lot of load, right, from the surface. I kept this for better understanding. This depth doesn't mean from the flat ground. It can be under the hills like this, right? There is a hill. Some place it is 500 meter, 400, and some other place a valley here. Depth is only 200 meters, right? There can be so many things, right? And even 1 kilometer, 1.5 also we went. And now choice of the method, you know very well, right? You cannot go board and pillar beyond 200 like that. Only long wall. Otherwise, some other methods. Now, coming to the shape of the deposit, right? So now you know very well what happens if the deposit shape, right, is not uniform. That shape can be undulating, something like a basin structure, right? And because of so many faulting, welding, then this is thrown down, right? That shape itself is changed, right? Now I cannot even have a long wall now, which requires at least 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers in that for a panel also to design, right? I cannot have. Very simple to understand, right? Then strike of the seam, right? It is something related to shape, we can say, not of much, right? They're depending on along the length how much the deposit is there, right? Even that strike also, it may not be uniform. There can be so many dispositions, right? Then mechanical property, this is very important point again, right? Mechanical properties, right? So now it is very simple. I cannot use even a coal cutting machine in a place where that coal is very strong, very hard. I cannot cut it. Now here you should note down, my beloved students, right? This is the reason where in Gopali Check Mine BCCL, you note down, hydraulic mining in 1980s, right? 88, 89, that time when I was like you, something like that. Or 5 saal aapse bada. When I was scientist there, we were doing experimentation of this hydraulic mining in India. First time from Germany importing that. Okay. In Germany, that was a very good technology. But here it is a failure because of these mechanical properties, right? Very simple to understand, cutting machines and all, right? Then coal seam cleavage, right? How it is going to help you? Definitely this helps you. How it is going to help you? right? If it is highly cleated, there are dirt bands inside, then how to select even that method, right? Even that location in this, suppose this is a coal, right? Then there are clay bands in between here at this position, maybe on the roof side, floor side in between, then your method should be different, right? Then geological disturbances, already I hope I have shown you some geological disturbance anytime, my beloved students. Yes, no? So that 2-3 minutes I will show a little bit before ending any class. There should be some very good, beautiful pictures to be shown to you to improve your interest also, my beloved students. Have I
No, sir.
shown you anytime geological disturbances?
No, sir.
No. Just for 2 minutes, how much time I can take, leaving your 5 minutes for your question, answer and doubts? 2 minutes, 3 minutes, how much? How much time I can take?
1 to 2 minutes.
That's all. Okay. Only within 1 minute I will show you some type of a typical geological disturbances. Okay. Don't worry. I don't want you to learn everything now for this, but geological disturbances I want to show it to you since this is a issue, right? Of course, this material is a part of one of my beloved friends, Dr. Nick Barton of NGI, Norwegian Geotechnical Institute, with whom we used to work, and some material. This is a workshop materials where it was prepared, and some material in front of me across the desk was also prepared. And I'm just showing you some good photograph or whatever. The geologically disturbed means how it appears. Now you see, this can be so much disturbance with dye, this can be a coal seam, whatever, right? And even that joints and then orientation, and that is translational. This can be transition of that joint with some other materials, right? Or that may look like different. It may not be in the coal seam, but it doesn't matter. We are also supposed to know. This may also happen in coal seams, and specifically we are also doing tunneling to enter into the coal seam. You should know about all this, right? You just consider this as a tunnel. From the surface, you are entering into the coal seam. You have to give me some hint when your 5 minutes is left. Okay, Yogita madam. So in Sweden, Norway, right? You see how geological disturbances are there. Sometimes this is even still we are able to maintain because of the orientation in a different favorable condition, unfavorable condition, right? You can see how difficult situations are there as far as geological disturbances are concerned, my beloved students. Now you can see here such a wonderful photographs of the disturbances. Don't worry, you are not here. It is some nicely taken by our friend Nick Barton, and we were there providing some knowledge to our next generations through our Indian National Geotechnical Society Indoor Conference. In a workshop, we used all these materials that I am showing to you, how geological disturbances through the core logs appears like this, and in the practice, how now you can see. These are the shear zones, my beloved students. You should understand. This happens even in our coal seams. This you should understand better. And then here are our core logs and some of this material across the table prepared by our Nick Barton. We were also there while preparing this material somewhere in 2005, something like that. All right. And I think that much is sufficient. Yeah, you can see in a borehole logs how it appears. Then somewhere there was a lot of disturbance and there is no disturbance. It is highly competent, right? The rock when cores are made, and then this can be because of groundwater, joint spacing, joint orientation, joint contour. These all to understand is a rock mass quality, and you can see the situations, my beloved students. Snowball effect of weathering. So many types of weathering and other things happens when now you can see even how beautiful it is looking. Yeah, this is appearing like Om Shanti. What is that? Lord Shiva. Right. Now this is something appearing like, I don't know how it is appearing for you. Right. In Q 0.001 or 01, worst situations and best situations of Q, where this can stand, where this is flowing type of rock, and this is a strong monolithic material, right? I don't want to go into that much geology now. I want to show only some beautiful photographs, right? Yes, now you see how geologically disturbed. Now you see how wonderful it is. So because before closing today's class, I want to show something beautiful and sweet photographs for you. I did it. Now let us go back to our attendance, and then any doubts you go further. And I think uh, our Kiran did some good work. I don't know what it is. He will explain now. And I am taking once again attendance. Any doubts? You talk to me, unmute yourself, any answering, and who is ready to summarize, be ready.
Sir, I will summarize.
Name.
Sir, Shrey.
Before that, any answers for CEP questions? Summarizing, who is summarizing?
Sir, Shrey
Name.
Jha.
Shrey. I thought Shrey is a girl. Srija, something like that. So Srija is also my younger daughter. Her name is Srija. I thought Sreja is also a girl. Okay, no problem. Jha ji, बताइए जी अभी.
Sir, today we first started by studying with the choice of mine size, which depends mainly on three factors: the level of mechanization, the proper reach of people to working places, and the geometry of the deposit mainly. And then we moved on to study about the working panels at Orient Mine UCL, and you told us about regarding the working and mechanization there. And we studied about the details of the working panels, including the seam thickness, gradient, height, width, etc. And it is the Hingir Rampur seam that you told us, HR seam. And then we moved on finally to the factors influencing the choice of mining size, that are physical, technical, and economical factors. And especially we studied about the physical factors, which include things like thickness of seam, the gradient of seam, and the mechanical properties of coal, etc. And we finished with some typical geological disturbance and some photos regarding that.
Very good, nice. So Sreja has nicely summarized it. So I think this is for Sreja. ये क्या है जी? Take more fruits, right? I told you.
want to answer CEP question, sir.
Anybody CEP answers, please. CEP.
Sir, Gagan Sahu.
Who is answering, you should tell first, because everything is recorded. Because in the last semester many failed as far as TA marks are concerned. I don't know whether how they perform in the NSEM, that decides whether they pass that course or not. In the previous semester exam.
CEP question, sir.
Name, your name please. Or if you are convenient, you can show your face here.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Gagan. Are you
Yes,
Gagan?
sir. Yes, sir.
तो
Yes, sir.
आकाश से बोलिए जी अभी. आकाशवाणी. Gagan.
Sir, I want to answer a second CEP question, sir. Why more along a strike, not in a deep cool seam, sir?
Very good,
Sir,
nice. Now you explain. Don't take much time because you should not enter into others class. How much time is there, Yogita madam? Jasmine
Sir,
madam?
5 minutes, sir.
2 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yes, sir. 2 minutes.
Continue, but finish within 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Often we have a pole seam not more than thickness of a 2 meter, and they are deposited in kilometers in a horizontal fashion, sir. So that is why we prefer to economic value of sir open cast mining in strike direction, sir.
We need not discuss about open cast mining here. This is our underground mining. No, your answer is right. आकाशवाणी नहीं, गगन साहू नाम में ही है. आकाशवाणी तो सही बोलता है, ठीक है. जैसे वो कंस को बोला था तो कृष्ण कुछ किया, तो सही बोला था. तो गगन भी सही बोला है. But now we should concentrate more on our underground. It is fine. I appreciate you. Now Yogita madam is feeling shy. She is not giving answer, but she has written here. Of course, anybody can see. If I stop sharing, anybody can see here this. Are you able to see this slide? No problem. Achha. Yogita madam, now you can unmute and tell. You have given a nice answer writing here. टोपी लगा के अच्छा लिखा है. अभी बता दीजिए फटाफट.
Sir, I have written the answer of CEP question 1. The nature of deposits in India, mainly bituminous coal is found, and combustible, volatile, gassy, and somewhere we get low ash content, somewhere more, and its shape variations, strength variations, moisture content, all this.
Very good. Anything, anybody else want to say? Very good, Yogita madam.
Sir,
Yes.
in comparison, hello.
Yes.
Sir, in comparison to bituminous, is the percentage of anthracite and lignite very less in India?
Yes, you are right. Okay. So Smarak, what he will do is for him to tomorrow's homework. If you have a tomorrow class, so he will collect us on Google if he writes simply, because this is the information you should have in the previous semester. What is the geology of the deposit or the nature of the deposits? Okay, Smarak, you should tell me tomorrow what is the coal availability in India, right? Total coal deposits and bituminous, whatever is there. So you should say, we'll start our class with that. Is it fine? Any problem? If not, Smarak, others will tell about that. What is a coal deposit position in India? Coal is a, ये तो 2 minute का बात है. In 2 minutes you will get it. You write in the Google coal deposit in India, you will get all that information. Okay. So Smarak will say, otherwise somebody else, anybody, everybody should know about it. Okay, right. So now any time more left? Any time? No,
No.
time? Okay,
No.
then dhanyawad to your parents. Right, they are helping you. You help them. Jasmine madam, Yogita madam. All the best and take care of COVID-19. Then Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. बाद में क्या बोल रहे हैं? I am stopping recording now. Before stopping, let us praise our temple of learning. Subham तो कुछ बोलना चाहता है, लेकिन his Ramu is obstructing him. So he is playing with his Ramu. Okay. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai NIT Rourkela, and Jai underground coal mining methods. Now I am stopping recording, and now